Welcome back to EV 101. I'm Liz Naiman, and we're talking nuts and bolts of the EV ownership experience. Battery warranties, replacements, and long-term maintenance. In the past few lessons, we talked about how EV batteries age, charging best practices, how to keep things healthy, and here's your safety net. It's your warranty. Just like gas cars, EVs come with basic warranties and powertrain warranties, and the one that we care about, which is your battery warranty. Since the battery is the most expensive part of your EV, it's basically the EV's beating heart, manufacturers give it special coverage. In the US, you usually get 8 years or 100,000 miles minimum coverage for your battery, and often powertrain components that go into propelling the car. Here's the key detail. Many warranties don't just cover outright battery failure, they cover what they consider excessive degradation over the term of the warranty. A common standard is that if your battery loses more than 30% of its original capacity over the warranty period, the manufacturer must repair or replace it. That means if originally you get 300 miles of range, and now you're only getting 210 miles, you should probably bring your car in and get it checked for a free new battery. Now, the exact percentage that's guaranteed does vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, so please check the fine print. Here are a few notable examples. A Tesla Model 3 or a Model Y, long range or performance, will guarantee the battery up to 70% of the original capacity for 8 years, 120,000 miles. Now, if you sprung for the Model S or the Model X, you get up to 150,000 miles. Ford goes with the standard 8 years, 100,000 miles, and 70% range. The Equinox has an 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty on the high voltage battery and electric propulsion components, and only a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. But they throw in 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance. So warranties vary a lot from manufacturer to manufacturer. If you're buying used, and we really hope that you're considering it, we urge you to read the fine print of the warranty and make sure that it transfers to a second owner. Most warranties do. Also, check to make sure you understand what actions may void your battery warranty. These often include aftermarket parts or charging with a non-standard adapter. Battery warranties don't just cover degradation, they also cover failure or defects if your battery just stops working on the side of the road. Like the engine in a gas car, batteries can fail, but it's super rare. In the data that we've seen outside of highly publicized recalls like the Chevy Bolt or the Hyundai Kona, replacements and failures are super duper rare. For cars made in 2016 or later, the replacement and failure rate is under 1%. And for cars made from 2021 and later, it's 0.3%. By the way, all of those replacements are under warranty. One place that EV drivers find a lot of savings is in routine maintenance. EVs have far fewer moving parts than gas cars. There's less heat, less friction, less oil leaks, less wear and tear. There are also dozens of parts, compared to thousands in an internal combustion engine car. However, there are certain things that do need routine attention. These include cabin air filters every few years, changing out your wiper blades, occasionally having to check on or replace your 12-volt battery, and rotating and replacing tires. Now, it is worth noting that some EV drivers do go through tires a lot faster. This generally comes down to how people drive. EVs have a lot of instant torque and speed, and they're really fun to drive. If you love peeling out at red lights, that's great, but you can expect to replace your tires a little bit more frequently than you would on a gas car. We do recommend looking for EV-specific tires. Not only will they help you keep your tires longer, but they'll also ensure a quiet and smooth ride, and can even impact your range. Now that you understand how EV warranties work, hopefully you have an added layer of security and comfort about your EV battery. Battery replacements and failures are very rare, and EV maintenance is super low. Next, we're going to walk you through some considerations about what to think about before you get your first EV. Thanks for sticking with us, and thanks as always for thinking about driving an electric car.